Well, he attack me. But Jaden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
What you talking about is Jaden Place. See me up to the time, a cartel. I represent for Jaden Chase. We spray them face on the AK rays. See me up to the time, the Gaza station.
Dancehall royalties available on all digital platforms. Make sure someone go support the EP.
Yeah, gold or platinum. We can't just be in the studio doing music and you basically leaving the business part or everything else in management hands or somebody. And you don't really know what's going on, you know? You really have to be hands-on.
Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we don't need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we don't find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jaden Chase. And yes, we are bringing another new and yes, exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, remind you know to click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, boss a share on the vlog in truth. Now, before we get into the reasoning, viewers and subscribers, yes, as you just saw, Little Addy will be on stage later on today. Make sure you tell a friend, but tell a friend. As a matter of fact, get to the like button. I want you empty a clip of likes on the video, viewers and subscribers, and share it right across the world. Comment section opening. Tell me what you feel. Little Addy just confirmed, say yes, him a pre the business aspect of the music industry. And him say him feel like a something where most artists now focus on. And definitely truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, Drake and the OVO music group just do something big for Skillibeng and his international career. Yes, Skillibeng, viewers and subscribers, a youth will definitely do it. Who bad and we. Now, this link up has been quite some time in the making. For those who remember that track, who? And in that track, them rub out intense neatly with the line where say at the top of tavern the SLR lift. And a sharp bar send cross the tall pen badness. Who bad and we? Now if you look at the video closely, you will see that Skillibeng is wearing the OVO chain. Yes, something where Drake speak of even inner the new mixtape. Now on the Sirius XM Sound 42 channel, in which his radio station was relaunched, he shared a picture of him rolling around in the Maybach listening to none other than Crocodile Teeth. Top striker, you don't ask me. Ask me on the lane and see. Now this is a good look for Skillibeng viewers and subscribers, seeing that he's definitely the artist where the industry I look at. As a young artist, we are do it in a way that is respectable. Him forward in the game, him pay him respects. Him not go out time way for disrespect or discredit any of the founders of the new sound of dancehall music. Him do it the right way. Never come out, come gimmick up himself and disrespect ladies. No, him forward out, come put out good music. No, Drake also have a line. What? In the Caribbean, especially in Jamaica itself, because it was the island in which he was speaking of. But you don't know we are loved right across the Caribbean diaspora. The G say, if this is your hobby, then come and meet your maker. Champagne ring bells in the streets of Jamaica. Started at the crib. Now look how far this shit will take ya. Definitely a good look. Now people have always said this. This is always a good look for hip hop artists working with dancehall artists. And there are a few names of which people always mention when them talk about Drake and a dancehall feature. Of course, Drake did features with Popcorn. Numerous features with Popcorn. Some released, some unreleased. Now, Vybz Kartel is also a name always mentioned. And now Skillibeng has been added to that list as well. People are calling for the Drake and Skillibeng feature. It needs to be a Vybz Kartel, Drake and Skillibeng feature. And they say it needs for that. That is where it needs to be. What you feel? Now if you know the popular channel and video on YouTube before they were famous, remember Vybz Kartel on it as well. I think him have Popcorn, I'm not sure, but I know him of Vybz Kartel for sure. Now he said in a tweet, say your Drake need to forward a yard. come do the video with Poppy them and the whole conglomerate. Of course, visit the Gaza, link up with Skillibeng, and do a big music video out there. Definitely a good look. You know what I mean? It wouldn't be the first though. It wouldn't be the first Drake Ford out there to come do a music video with an artist, so we're not gonna big up. Nah, mention him. See him not him mute them and them want to be artists. We're not talking about it. But he has done music videos and it's a place him fall upon a regular basis. You know what I mean? Even when enough people don't know, you know, that private jet something go already. As it pertains to Little Addy and what him say, but definitely like I say this. As a young youth, a young artist, the thought process we him have, it is still surprising, even though we know say a Vybz Kartel I'm father. Most youth now pre that youth his age, regardless of who are them father, regardless of which circles them inner. Him a pre the business aspect of the music. Him say you can't just in the studio a voice song and a leave your career in the hands of managers and producers and people who just see you as a dollar sign, who probably don't have your best interest at heart. Him say you need to have an hands-on approach to music. And you know who that remind me of? Vybz Kartel and his hands-on approach to music. Meaning say, if at the production side, producers have said this, the teacher is not just an artist who ask you, what kind of rhythm you have? Or send me some rhythm. Is an artist who are going to say, it's that rhythm here? It's a good rhythm, but maybe you need to do this, tweak this up. Because the way the Omega deliver the lyrics, you have to can hear it. So maybe the bass right there so should be removed. Hands-on approach. It's a person where, of course, make him own songs. As I said, the production side, then also the business and the managing aspect of other artists. While the teacher was managing his own career, the teacher was managing the career of other artists. Very few artists can do that. Think about it. And if them even choose to do that, normally take away from for them own career. By God blessing, the teacher find a way for also continue to expand his repertoire in a music while helping other artists to achieve or attain stardom. And the first to see that, you point to another artist to do that. Big up Bounty, a person who we can definitely credit with finding stars. Or we can accredit him with acknowledging the star potential of individuals they meet on their road or on their journey to stardom. Because some people will see it, but they don't see potential. They don't understand the music industry. If you know, say an artist like this can bust and be somebody where can have a fan base and represent dancehall internationally. Very few artists can say that. You must say a Vybz Kartel, say Popcorn and say, yo, that youth here, you have what it takes, you have the raw talent. And see it a Poppy and Drake them a link. Some would say the Popcorn and Drake linkage make even the Skillibeng linkage is now at hand. So within itself, all a good look. Me happy to see the whole move. Definitely happy to see the whole move. Talk to me in the comment section. I know how you feel, viewers and subscribers. The energy is right. And from the energy right, you know it go. Tell my viewers and subscribers if you look forward to see an interview, either a music video appearance. Are you just glad to see the fact that dancehall music is being endorsed on an international level? Because no matter how you look on it, it's definitely a good endorsement for Skillibeng and for dancehall music. He's a dancehall artist. So any promotion him get is also big for the genre of music in which he's associated with. You know what I mean? So it's a good look. Definitely like the Swagwan. OVO radio station relaunch. You know what I mean? We know which artists we are look forward to see on it next. We know it's a must to see Popcorn. You know, it's a must to see Popcorn featured on it with the whole management deal with Drake and the whole OVO and unruly link up. You know, so that within itself is something. So already I look forward to that. We look forward to some more Gaza music, some more dancehall music. As a matter of fact, Toronto, the 6th, is a place where lots of Caribbean nationals are located. So Toronto is a big consumer of Caribbean and dancehall music. Just to point that out. We'll have to point that out. Know what I mean? So, you know, definitely a good look. Talk to me in the comment section. Know how you feel about the whole vibe, viewers and subscribers, the whole move. But it's the one called Jaden Chase. Yes, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and I'm reminded that now if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through. But you like the reason, and of course, you like the point of view. Well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all. And this is how you know we'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. You man, the like icon there too. So drop a like on the blog and bust a share on the blog in truth, viewers and subscribers. Yes, tell the young artists, said the special is still up and running, viewers and subscribers. Contact the IG page, Jaden_Chase_ DM for details. So we can see a call about the review special. Message about the review special rather. And we'll get the details. You know what I mean? Vybz Kartel said dancehall can't stall, and we are doing our part. We know young artists are saying it's hard to get the promo them need. Hard to get the push them need in the industry. We are saying, alright, we're there. We're there because dancehall can't stall, and new artists, some of them have a vibe. They need to be heard. So we have to do our part. I hope move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we don't need no ladder until we reason again. Live, love and prosper.